Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll help you fix your generator when it only runs with the choke on. The most common reason for this issue will be your carburetor. If it's dirty, it won't let enough air into the engine. Access the carburetor, remove it from your generator, and disassemble it for a thorough cleaning. Be sure to clean out the main jet and all the ports using carburetor cleaner, compressed air, and tip cleaners. Clean out the bowl of any buildup as well. Before you reattach it to the engine, check the gasket to be sure it's in good shape, and if you notice it's worn, replace it. Reinstall the carburetor and start up the generator, switching the choke off slowly. Carburetors are typically the most common problem piece in generators, so keeping them clean will help you avoid headaches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.